Hi, this is a video walkthrough of my Amazon Associate account for the asset wellnesscommunity.org. I'm going to go ahead and log us in and verify revenue for the site. Okay, we'll go straight to reporting. I want to make a note that I manage a lot of my websites tracking IDs through this one account, so you'll notice the revenue for everything is on here, and so it's a lot more than what I've reported to you guys. But I'll strip out tracking IDs that don't apply to kind of show you the figures that you see for Wellness Community, just so you guys know I'm legit. I'll do reports as like full years. I'll do just this year. So this is last year to give you some perspective, 35,940, and then this year, it looks like we're 21,147. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to download reports where I've already downloaded last year and this year. And what I was going to do was just show you how I strip out non-applicable tags, tracking IDs, to show you what the site has generated, what the tracking IDs have generated for those periods of time. So this report here looks like, we'll go to this tab right here, fee tracking on tracking ID summary. And so just highlight this so you can see that it is, doesn't want to let me do that, but I'll change it to red. So it's from January until now. And as I mentioned before, the tracking IDs, not all are applicable to this site. So I'm going to go ahead and strip out the ones to my other websites, which are like beach and water sport related. So they're pretty easy to identify what they are, and strip them out really quickly. So just bear with me here. I'm just going to show you this process. And then I also downloaded reports month by month that I'm going to show you really quickly. So you have verification. So they already have these tracking IDs that I'm stripping right now. They already have those stripped out. And so they just give you a snapshot of only what Wellness Community tags are generating. So just done in a couple minutes here. Unfortunately, Amazon will only let you pull open reports for 3 months, for no more than 3 months at a time. So I had to do the whole year this year and the whole year last year, just to kind of give you perspective. So like I said, we'll strip those out, delete those right on out of here, which leaves us with 56, which is the correct amount of tracking IDs for this period of time. And looks like a revenue of $9,353.32. And that's to current. So I don't, in some of my profit and loss statements, you don't see, or in my profit and loss statement, you don't see August. So that's the 21 days of August are also included in that number. So just keep that in mind. But like I said, they would only let me pre-select certain amounts of time. So go ahead and just sorry. just highlight that one for you. And then my plan was just to show you the same thing for this year's, so that was this year, so the same thing for last year's revenue, even though you're only considering July through December 31st of last year to apply for the profit and loss table, but I wanted to just give you everything so you had it. So this is, let me unenable. So you can see here, this is January 1st of 2017 to December 31st. I'm just going to turn that red again for you guys so you know the dates are correct. And I'll go, whoops, I'm sorry, I needed to be in this one. Tracking ID with summary. So this is a snapshot of the year. Like I said, not all of the tags are applicable, but I'll go ahead and strip those out again and loose as quickly as possible. Looks like I missed a few. Else. I label them really well so they're hard to miss when I'm sorting through them for any purpose. Now, some of these I've gotten rid of, ones that were poor performing, so you'll notice a little discrepancy between how many tags I had last year versus how many tags I have this year. Underperformers I just got rid of, so. And then I did that months ago, or years ago, really, a year ago. And so, okay, that looks good. And so I will go ahead and just sum that up really quickly. So for all of last year, the revenue generated from wellness community tags was 17,667.02 and then I wanted to go ahead and quickly show you from Amazon just the payment history. So you saw that deposits were happening. And so this is from the inception of my website. So November 2016, you can see they grew from there, kind of hover between 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. You know, there's some seasonal peaks, highs and lows, but you can see it's pretty steady all the way to August 1st, 2018. I have an unpaid balance right now of $3,970.44. And that gives you a good breakdown of that. The other thing I wanted to show you was some reports that I had pulled so to do my profit and loss statement, I had actually pulled reports in advance that show the tracking IDs month by month. And so I went ahead and did that, and I'll just do, I've already submitted these to support so you guys could see them for verification purposes, but thought I'd go ahead and open up August of 2017, which would have been the first report, and show you sort of what that looks like. So it's essentially what we just looked at, except it's a smaller report, 8/1/2017 to 8/31/2017. It's just tracking IDs that are on wellnesscommunity.org and their revenue. So for June of 2017, I'm sorry, for August of 2017, you're looking at $1,670.95. And then I'll go ahead and just move us to July, so the most recent. So you guys have all these documents, but I just wanted to run through what they are. And so just to verify, this is July 2018. And whoops, of course I did that again. That was about $1,700 there. There we go. But $1,627 and 29 cents. So, okay, well, hopefully that answers everything. And of course, you guys can have access to my Amazon Associate account if you want to do further verification that way. But I really appreciate your time. Thanks so much. Bye.